Welcome to Buyer Kia's Express Shopping feature. In this video, we'll show you everything you'll need to know to start utilizing this simple, intuitive tool. There are 5 simple steps in the process. First, search our website to find your ideal vehicle. Find current incentives on your ideal vehicle. Once you select your vehicle, fill out your basic information. You can even check your credit score if needed. If you have a trade-in, you can receive an estimate for your trade-in at this time. Next, you'll choose the payment option you'd like, with the option to customize payments if needed. Protect your investment with protection plans suited for the vehicle you'd like. The last step is to schedule a test drive or get approved online. Don't wait. Visit our website today and click Express Shopping to experience the most efficient way to purchase your car.